Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to disable location services of Mobile Legends. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Mobile Legends and perform your search. Tap on it. Select App Permission option. Then select Location option, which is under Allowed. Check on Don't Allow option to disable location services of Mobile Legends. And this is how you can disable location services of Mobile Legends. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.